Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and this is Make and Take Tuesday. This is a little series that I do. Usually I share a tutorial, but it's Thanksgiving week, so I'm just going to do a quick project share because I have pies to bake and a house to clean. But I did want to show you this cute new collection from Photoplay paper. This is called Winter Chalet. It's by Michelle Coleman, and I just love this collection. It comes with an ephemera pack. You buy that separately. That has all these great little tags and images, and I'll show you what I've done with those in a minute. I know you guys like to see the paper, so we'll just do a quick flip through. I love that it's navy blue, sage, and white, and then there's touches of brown. It's just warm and wonderful. A great bridge from Christmas into winter so that your projects can sit out on display even longer. It's just a really beautiful collection. It's very fresh. It's very, I don't know, the colors, everything just work together. This floral is probably my favorite. Wow, so beautiful. And then this wonderful tone-on-tone toile on the back. Look at this sweet sort of alpine print, and then a wonderful stripe. And then of course the collection kit comes with a sticker sheet that just has so many cute stickers. So what did I make with it? Well, let me show you. This is the fun part, right? I made this wonderful folio, and I used one of Photoplay's 6x8 folio packs. This is a kit. It comes with the instructions and all the pieces. It looks like this. I'll open it up so you can see. And I'm not going to lie to you, this is not a cinch to put together. You have to pay attention to what you're doing. It's a lot of moving parts, and it's a lot of steps. But once it's done, you've got this great folio. So here's a look at all the different instructions and things. You can see you really do have to pay attention to it. There's a lot of detail. It's not hard. You just have to pay attention. It's almost harder for me to do a folio like this, honestly, than designing my own as I go. But I love the way this turned out. So here we go. This measures 6x8, which is a great size for a folio. And on the cover, I've created this little wintry window scene with a Prima resin frame. And then I've got one of the little images from the collection and a bunch of buttons galore, shakers. You see that cute little house with the heat rising out of the chimney, and it says walking in a winter wonderland. And I altered the frame with Nouveau Mousse and some metallic wax that I have in my stash. This is Really Reasonable Ribbon Blue Golden Cream Plaid. This is Renee Bouquets. This is some of her printed beautiful board. I just thought this sweet little girl and this snowman fit so well, and all the flowers are also Renee Bouquets. The snowflakes I altered with Wow Diamond Sparkle embossing powder. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to mention here. I just threw some rhinestones. These are buttons I had in my stash. So here's the spine, and this is a Renee Bouquets little snow globe. I've got some little charms. This is one of her snowflakes. A Tim Holtz, another little tiny snowflake I had, and an enamel ice skate, this pretty deer, and then this little charm says Let It Snow. So that's that. Here's the back, just more of the same wood grain with this wonderful kind of flannel plaid. And then this opens out. This is a neat design. I really do like the design of this. It opens like this. So you've got these two flap pages at the front, and you can see I've dressed these up. These are a lot of those cute images that I told you about that come in the ephemera pack. And I just I did the little tag. I matted it on some sage cardstock and added a little twine. So you've got room for a photo here. Over here, you've got room for quite a large photo. This is not glued down, so you could actually slip your photo underneath. And then this flap flips out like this, and you've got a slash pocket, And what I did was I just made a bunch of photo mats to go in there with scraps. I used every bit of one whole collection kit. So, I mean, ephemera packs, stickers, everything. I used all of it. Then we've got this really fun flip page. I've taken one of the 4x6 images, turned it into a flap. Then I've got a couple little photos here. And again, this is not glued down, so you can stick your photo underneath both of these. You could actually even put a photo here. Then this lifts up, and I've got another flap page here with another 4x6. I love all I need is tea and warm socks. That works for me. This flap comes out. You've got room for a huge photo here. You could do a couple of smaller photos here. And then I made this into a little pocket. Just put your adhesive like a U here, and that creates this instant little pocket for the tag. And then underneath that, they have a waterfall feature. And so you can get photos on here. These are 4x6, and this lives under the flap. Now, I will tell you, because this is the tricky part, the folio just tells you how to put everything together. But if you put all these extra pieces in before you line your back pages, you're going to be stuck with blank paper. So as you're doing the instructions, pay attention to lining your base pages before you add the elements. So this is a really cute little flip page with our little snowman and this flannel plaid. These are 6x6, so you can get good size photos in here, and I've just dressed it up with little flips and flaps. These are some Tim Holtz flashcards that I had in my stash. Here's another little flap, so cute. Then there's another one of these here. These are great. This is a little tip down. So you've got winter here, and you've got chill here with a little cup of cocoa. Room for a great photo. This is another little flip down flap with room for a photo up here, and then another sweet little photo page. So this brings us back to this initial flap page. And what I did was I wrapped a piece of heavy cardstock with my designer paper to create this kind of slightly raised panel. So this flips out. Here's another pocket. And again, more photo mats in there, so you can get a lot of photos in this little folio. Oh, and I will tell you this, in the instructions, these are supposed to be pockets. Well, you know me. I don't follow instructions. I wanted these to be little flip books. I thought that would be fun. So it's good for you to know that you can alter the way these little folios are used. So that's just neat. And then this is a little flap pocket here. This comes in the kit. And then inside, I created a little photo folio with my scraps of paper, so you can get some good sized photos in there. And that just lives in this little pocket. And of course, you could just put straight up photographs in there too. I added a magnet so that the flap stays shut. And there's another one of those Rene Bouquets snowflakes. So this is my little thing for Make and Take Tuesday. I apologize. It's just Thanksgiving is Thanksgiving, and I'm hosting, and I love my family. So I know you guys are busy too, but I thought you would like to see this cute collection and this neat folio design. You might want to give them a try. I will link to my supply list in the description box below this video. And now I'm going to take off my crafting apron and go put on my cooking apron and get busy, get ready for the big day. I wish you all a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you get to enjoy friends, family, relaxation, laughter, delicious food. This is my favorite holiday. All right, guys, God bless you. And I'm going to clean this up and go get my cook on. Bye.